Keep bathtub caulk flexible and sealed by following straightforward daily and seasonal maintenance. Caulk longevity starts with proper cleaning and gentle care. Use a mild, pH-neutral cleaner and a soft cloth or non-abrasive sponge to remove soap, scum, and body oils weekly. Avoid bleach and abrasive pads because they break down silicone and latex additives. After each bath or shower, run the fan or open a window for at least 10 minutes and wipe the joint edges with a dry towel to reduce moisture that encourages mold and adhesive failure. Inspect the bead visually every month and feel it with a gloved fingertip to detect soft spots, shrinking, or cracks early. Small hairline gaps can be resealed with a thin run of matching silicone after fully drying the area. If you need to remove mold, apply a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution. Let it sit 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly, and allow 24 hours to dry before reapplying any sealant. When reapplying caulk, remove the old material completely with a plastic scraper, clean residue with isopropyl alcohol, and use painter tape to form crisp lines. Apply steady pressure on the caulking gun and smooth with a wet finger or tool within 5 minutes for the best bond. Choose the right product for your tub environment, meaning 100% silicone for wet areas and a mildew-resistant formula for high humidity. And allow the full cure time stated on the tube before using the tub, usually at least 24 hours. Common mistakes shorten service life and are simple to fix with routine attention. Rushing the cure time leads to adhesive failure, so wait the recommended period before exposing the area to water. Using bleach or abrasive cleaners can degrade the caulk, so switch to gentle cleaners and spot treat mold with peroxide rather than strong chlorine. Leaving edges damp or failing to run ventilation keeps moisture trapped and encourages separation, so make post-use drying and regular ventilation a habit. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share maintenance tips and real experiences about projects like redoing tub caulk. We help contractors find work by making it easy for them to connect with homeowners looking for services and advice.